Hi everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Asia and today we're going to jump right into this halo eye that I created with the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette. This was a super fun palette to play around with. The colors in this palette are super top quality and I really think that she did a really good job with this. Like, the packaging is dumb cute. It came in this little gold sleeve like this. And it's just super cute and I really enjoyed playing with it. So I hope you continue to watch and let's jump right in. Okay, so I've already done my eyebrows and primed my eyes. We're gonna go right into the Dominique Cosmetics. And I haven't used this palette before, but I have swatched the colors, and when I swatched them, they just felt very soft and like they're going to blend really well. So I'm really excited about that. As you can see, it comes with a mirror and it has 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 shades. It's so cute. They're all named after like coffee lattes, different type of lattes and coffee, which I thought was a really cute spin on things. So let's jump right in and see how it goes. The first color I'm gonna take into the crease is this color here, which is called Pumpkin Spice. And I'm gonna take that in with a fluffy brush. And this is my transition shade, so I wanna get a lot in the crease. Wow. So what I'm noticing is that the colors are very pigmented. For that to be my first transition shade, like, I mean, that looks pretty good to me. Like, oh, come on, Dominique. Come on in. Wow. That's really pigmented. Ooh. So now I'm gonna go into hazelnut with another blending brush. Wow. And I'm going a little lower than pumpkin spice. Now I'm gonna go in with Mocha, which is the darkest matte shade. And I'm gonna take that into my crease a little lower than the transition shades that I've already applied, and also on the inner corner and the outer corner. Now for the inner and outer corner. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of concealer right in the middle of my eye and kind of do like a little halo type vibe or whatever. Now that we have that concealer base down, I'm gonna go in with the color Creme Brulee. Let's see what the pigment looking like. You better. Y'all ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing with this eyeshadow on my eyes. Y'all, do y'all see this? I mean, I know it looks like 2 big blobs now, but the pigment is on point. I'm gonna go back in with the color Mocha, just with a smaller brush, and just make sure that those edges aren't so harsh. To line my eyes, I'm gonna go in with the Inglot 77 gel pot and a fine liner brush. First, I'm just making a line, a thin line along my lash line. And now I'm gonna go in for the wing. So what I'm gonna do is draw a line out this way, and I'm gonna take my time with it because I don't wanna start with too long of a line, because then it's gonna be hard to like fix it if it's not done correctly, and then you could end up with a wing that's all the way up to here or your forehead, and that's just not what you want, okay? So I'm gonna start out really small and gradually make the wing longer to the point that I want it to be. And now I'm gonna come back to the thinner line that I made over here and draw a line back to this line that I made. Now I'm just gonna fill that wing in. And now I can make it thicker. And for foundation, I'm gonna take in the new NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. And for concealer, I'm gonna go in with the Kylie Cosmetics concealer in the color Granola. And I like to draw a line down the side of my nose so that I can so I don't have to do too much when it comes to like doing a big harsh nose contour. So I just kind of draw a line down the side, right next to where I want the contour to be. And now I'm just blending that out. I'm just gonna go in with the same brush that I used to apply my foundation, just around the areas that I concealed, and make sure that I don't look like too much of a light bulb. I'm gonna go ahead and set the face with the Sacha Buttercup Setting Powder. And I'm just gonna use this Kat Von D brush to apply the powder. This powder literally just mattifies your whole face. Like, do y'all see that? How it's going from shiny to matte? Oh my God, I love this powder. At first I really didn't know how I felt about it, but now I'm like, I bangs with you, Sacha. Now that we're done setting the face, I'm gonna go in with the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in shade Deep 4. I don't know why I like to say it like that, Deep 4. Ooh. I'm taking this in on the perimeter of my face and down the hollows of my cheek. Give the face some life, honey. And with that same bronzing powder, I'm gonna go in with a angled brush to contour the nose. Snatch it right into place. And I literally just dipped the brush in there a teensy weensy bit and tapped off the excess. Ooh. Y'all see that nose? Ooh, ooh. All right, guys, we're almost done with the face, but now we're gonna go back and finish the eyes. I'm gonna go back into the Dominique Cosmetics Latte palette and dip my brush right into this mocha color and really smoke out my bottom lash line. Hey, mocha. Y'all see that smoke? We want all the smoke. To line my waterline, I'm gonna go in with the Lancome Stylo waterproof eyeliner. Ooh, some of these products be getting me a little tripped up. And I'm just putting this right in my waterline. Okay, I'm gonna put a thin coat of mascara on because I'm gonna be putting on falsies anyway. So I'm gonna use the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara on my top lashes. And for my bottom lashes, I'm gonna be going in with the MAC Extended Play Gigablack Lash. I had to practice that a few times before I actually said it. For lashes, I'm going to be using the Lilly lashes in style Mykonos. And I like to go in with tweezers to just make sure that I really get the ends of the lash down and glued to my lash line. To highlight, I'm going to be taking in the Bobbi Brown bronzing powder in Moon Glow. Make me glow like the moon. To line my lips, I'm gonna go in with MAC Chestnut Lip Liner. And for lips, I'm gonna go in with MAC Velvet Teddy and Stone. First, I'm going in with Velvet Teddy. guys, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comments below. And follow me on all my social media. Bye.